Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make the coffee pot in the DeLonghi Coffee Maker Dinamica Plus. So in the first step we have to go to the right side on this pages and click on the coffee pot. Now select the numbers of the cup. The two cups, it's sorry, you have the aroma level, so just set it, and below it you can choose the amount of the cup. So 2 cups to brewing is 250 milliliters, the 4 cups is 500 milliliters, and the 6 is 750 milliliters. Then click on the OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, give us a like, comment, and goodbye.